Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your BMW 4 Series grille. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You'll definitely need a T20 Torx screwdriver and a plastic trim removal tool for prying without causing damage. Some models might also require a T30 Torx. Don't forget a soft cloth to protect your paintwork. Working in a well-lit area will make the entire process much easier and safer. Let's get started with the preparation. Now that you have your tools, open the hood of your BMW. The first step is to carefully remove the rubber weather strip seal located at the front of the engine compartment. Next, you'll find several Torx screws along the top of the bumper cover. Remove these. Typically, there are 2 T20 screws and 6 T30 screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the top of the bumper cover forward to create enough space to access the grille clips. Be careful not to pull too hard. With the bumper slightly pulled forward, you can now reach behind the grille. You'll feel several retaining clips, typically 3 at the top, 3 at the bottom, and 1 on each side. Use your trim removal tool or a small flathead screwdriver to press down on the top clips and push up on the bottom clips. As you release each clip, gently pull the grille forward from the outside. The first grille is usually the most challenging, but the second one will be much easier. To install your new grille, simply align it with the openings and firmly push it into place. You should hear and feel the clips engaging securely around the perimeter. Once both grilles are installed, push the bumper cover back into its original position, ensuring all metal clips align. Reinstall all the Torx screws and the rubber weather strip seal. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, so your feet will thank you. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.